Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
See you later. Cleo is our resident MOD cat. You meet her.
Trying to keep it reading. Then keep the tongue on it. Watch with the thing. I'll pull this stuff back. A long walk.
Throughout the length and breadth of the land, keen eyes keep watch on the skies. From observation posts every 10 miles throughout the length and breadth of the land, keen eyes keep watch on the skies. 7 years ago, the Royal Observer Corps stood down after the long strain of the war. Now it's back on the job again. At the bottom, the map reference, watching a man. Overhead, the jets of a new age. At the bottom, the map reference, watching a man. Overhead, the jets of a new age. From the observer, a message, and from that message, a plot. To 40 such plotting tables come messages from 1,500 posts, now part manned once more. On the measured squares of this table, the Battle of Britain was patterned in its... Overlooking the plotting table, the teller charged with the responsibility of passing on to flight control information that might well be vital. It is a system which gains strength from simplicity and enables each center to keep track of aircraft movements for 100 miles around. 3 cars. Do it. Get me on.
What's that? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Taken some form of control in West Germany, but that NATO has made no territorial concessions to the Soviets. NATO troops are still trying to repel the invading Soviets, but sources state that the situation is at best grim. They attribute NATO's ineffectiveness in diffusing the matter to a suddenness and swiftness of the invasion. NBC News correspondent Ted Wilson in London, England, made this special overseas report just minutes ago.
Military experts are shocked. Reagan calls the action an unprecedented act of Soviet aggression against the Western world. Here in London, Ted Wilson for NBC News.
There you heard it. Confirmation of this morning's invasion of West Germany by the Soviet military. And it also seems clear that Soviet reinforcements may in fact be standing by for deployment in East Germany to ensure the success of their actions. At this time, we here at CKFD are trying to get additional reports from various sources.
Like this. These all mean that fallout is expected. If we are attacked by nuclear weapons, these are the warning sounds you must recognize. First, the attack warning. Next, the fallout warning. When fallout is expected, you will hear 3 bangs in short succession. They will be sounded by means of maroons like this. Or you may hear 3 gongs like this. Or 3 whistles like this. These all mean that fallout is expected. Next, the fallout warning. When fallout is expected, you will hear 3 sounds in short succession. They will be sounded by means of maroons like this. Or 3 whistles like this. These all mean that fallout is expected.
Jamestown nuclear missile overshoots Manston Airfield in Kent and airbursts 6 miles from this position. At this distance, the heat wave is sufficient to cause melting of the upturned eyeball, 3rd-degree burning of the skin, and ignition of furniture. 12 seconds later, the shock arrives.
Both these methods are as effective as sandbagging and may be the most suitable for York. You can make the fallout room more effective by blocking the outside door and any windows in the passage leading to your room, by treating adjoining rooms in the same way, and finally by thickening the outside walls. By constructing a core or heavily protected shelter, you can greatly improve your protection for the first few. There are several basic kinds of shelters. Here, 2 doors are illuminated in the wall, leaving the space into the house and then back to the earth.
This is the C&D room.
Yes. We decided that Scotland should be known for its contribution to peace and justice rather than for waging war.